I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Now click Create Integration. Now search and select Trigger, which is Breakdance. To successfully integrate with Breakdance, select Bit Integration Pro from the Forms Actions setting. Now navigate Breakdance Page Builder, where use the form. Now select the form, click Action from the left sidebar, then select the Bit Integrations Pro from drop-down. Click the Save button to save the setting. Now navigate Integration Page. Select a form. Click Next. Search and select BuddyBoss. Connect. Next. Choose an action. I am choosing to add the user to a group. Choose a group. Member will be added to the groups when you log in as your user and fill in the form. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to your form and type some information and submit the form. The form is successfully submitted. Go to your BuddyBoss dashboard and navigate to Groups. View. Under the group, you can see that the member has been added successfully to the group. Thanks for watching.